Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to see how to install one of the bibliometric softwares, which is CiteSpace. So in the previous video we have shown you how to install the boss viewer software, and in that process we also installed Java in our computer. So now we are going to walk you through the installation of the CiteSpace software. So here again I am on my Google and I'm just going to make a Google search. So in the course files, maybe I have provided you with a link to the CiteSpace download page, so you can do it from there. But also if I just Google here, it will take me to a place from where I can do the downloads. So here, first of all, you will need the Java runtime. So in the process of installing the boss viewer, we actually have already installed the Java runtime. But if you haven't done it, in any case, for instance, maybe if you haven't installed WasViewer now, so you should try to download the Java runtime from here and install it in your computer. And here, if you are using a Mac, actually you should follow instructions here. Okay, so please follow instructions here if you're using a Mac. Otherwise, if you're using a Windows PC like me, so you can just go here and you can, when I click there, it says the download is starting shortly. Okay, so it has started the download. So now I see that my downloads are successful here, as you can see, and here you can see how many downloads this week and what was the last update of the softwares. Okay, so here I'm going to open this file, show in folder, and it seems to be a zip format file, so I will try to extract it and see if it works. So now I see that actually it's a .7z file, so it's kind of, I think, some kind of zip format file, but I don't know how to extract it actually. So when I open click, yeah, it's not really working. So I'm going to see if I can download it in some other format, and to do that I come here in files. Okay, and here we can see some more versions of this file here. Okay, so maybe I can try this one. Let's see if, I think this is the one I was doing anyway here. So when I click that, so I see the zip format is here. So this is the 7z format. This is the direct file, which I think I have provided you guys in the course material. But I'm going to now download the zip one and also this one. So let's see how it works. I'll start with the zip one. So during the download process, sometimes they shows us this page here, so that they can actually send you some updates time to time about the software, things going on. So it's up to you. If you want to fill it, you can fill it. If you don't want to fill it, that's okay, fine, no problem. So here finally I have the zip file, zip version of the software, so I'm going to show in folder. Now if I right click, I will be now able to extract it and extract. So here, after extracting, this is the file. These are the files that you can see. Okay, so here one idea could be that we can, I think I would actually start with this file, CiteSpace. Okay, the one which looks like Java version. So I will open this one. I think then my CiteSpace should start working. I just have to make sure that I have Java installed, okay, which we already installed during the FastViewer installation, but you can do it from Java installation as well. Okay, so yeah, you need to set up a new project with the above information. Okay, I'm just clicking OK for now. So it's downloading all the demo files and setting it up. And the demo files are most likely downloaded in this place. These are the locations. Okay. And then it comes up like this. Nice. Here you can see some detail about the software. What we have to do to start the software, we have to click here agree, and then it starts. Awesome. So this is how it should look like actually when you manage to successfully install the software. So I have actually shown you the whole process that I faced. You see that first I downloaded in .7z format, which I didn't know how to extract. Then I downloaded the G format, which worked fine, and we extracted and downloaded. So this is how it looks like. And in the next video, I will show you how to download the Biblioshiny software. And also in the future analysis videos, I will show you how to analyze data in this CiteSpace software. Thank you for watching.